welcome back to my channel. It's Diwali time and I so wanted to do some changes with my living room because I was so bored with the previous one. So Diwali se zyada acha mauka kahan mil sakta hai to do these changes, and today's video is all about that. To be honest, I wanted to take this video live a week earlier so that aap logo ko bhi kuch ideas mil jate, but was so caught up with these festive things. So I'll just show you guys how I do my decor and you all can just enjoy watching it. Because इसकी शॉपिंग ही इतनी लंबी चली. I mean, I had to get some stuff online, फिर for some stuff I had to go to the store and all of that. So इस सब में थोड़ा टाइम चला जाता है. Anyway, coming to today's decor, I'm not gonna go extra and all over, but I'm gonna keep it simple and classy yet festive. So yeah, and there are a few pointers that I've considered before gathering all the stuff, like color palette. So if you ever do decor, make a point to consider that point. And also, since it's Diwali, I have tried to add lights in every possible corner because I feel Diwali is incomplete without lights. So yeah, and also I have balanced it all out by adding little stuff like lights, candles, frames, curtains, cushions and all of that, which you guys are going to see in the video. So let's directly jump into the video because I know ये सब करने में मुझे बहुत टाइम लगने वाला है. So let's go! Yay! Action!